Hey foodies, it's Shana. In this video, we go over how to make tahini sesame paste. Tahini is a must-have item in any Middle Eastern pantry. My love for Lebanese and Middle Eastern foods demands that I always stock up on this paste. It has so many uses in varieties of spreads, dips, and my favorite shawarmas. So it's not available everywhere, and some varieties available in the supermarkets are not the type that you want to put in your sauces. Perfect tahini is a breeze to create within minutes. Having trouble buying good quality tahini at your local stores? It really is the easiest thing to make. Toast the sesame lightly, add to a small mixer blender with olive oil, and whiz till silky smooth. Perfect! So let's get started. This makes a small jar of tahini, and the total time is about 8 minutes. We're bringing a heavy base pan, or here I'm using a wok to heat. Make sure your pan is getting nice and hot. To this, add 1 cup of sesame seeds. Now stir continuously till you start to get that aroma of the sesame getting toasted. Keep stirring on a medium heat for about 2 minutes until just turning evenly golden. It's a color of golden sand. Take off the heat as quickly as you see the color has reached a golden color, because it can turn dark pretty quickly. Take off heat quickly and add to a heat-proof grinder or blender. Add olive oil, 3 or 4 tablespoons to start with, and we might need to add more later. Now you want to grind or blend till smooth, scraping down the sides of the jar a few times. Add just enough more olive oil to grind smoothly, removing any chunky bits. The paste should be silky, creamy, and smooth with no grits. Store in dry, sterile jars to be used quickly, or it can be refrigerated for a longer time, but I always make it fresh. Perfect for great hummus and other dishes. So now you know how to make tahini at home. Enjoy your cooking. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.